Hello friends, welcome to DK Textile. I am your friend Sugandh presenting you this Jaipuri pair. Okay, so let me show you which variety is this, which is here. So this is a Jaipuri pair variety which you get in DK Textile at only 150 rupees. Yes, my friend, you heard it right. It is only available at 150 rupees. So if I tell about what is this variety, so this is a Jaipuri pair. Look at this print. So this nice looking print and having a gota patti lace on it and wooden button. Okay, so this is the all about kurti. And if I tell about the bottom, then this is its relatable bottom. So in this pair you can get four sizes: M, L, XL and double XL. And if we tell about the size of this, so it is a 42 length kurti. And look at this bottom. So this is of size M, and in every bundle you can get four sizes: M, L, XL and double XL at only 150 rupees each. So we provide wholesale variety only, so don't call for retail. And if I tell about the other varieties and other pieces, then look at this piece also. So this is another print, and here in my surrounding you can see we have lots of print in this design. If I tell about, then it is almost 250 plus print in this same variety. Look at these wonderful colors and design. In every bundle you can get four sizes, and look at this, how much beautiful it is. Look at this kind of pieces which will get a huge crowd on your retail counter. And also a business which is run on daily basis. If I tell about, then the business, there are two pairs of business. First one is profit and another one is customer. So this is most suitable for both of the thing. This will get profit on your business also, because you will get this in 150 rupees and you can easily sell at 250 plus in this variety. And if I tell about the variety, then this is a Jaipuri based pure mill print variety, and look at beautiful colors and design in this. And if you want to purchase this kind of variety, then contact DK Textile, number given in the screen. Many of our friends have this type of complaint. Then we have arrived in Surat and come to Surat, and we will trapped in some of the dealers. So don't fall in the trap of the dealers. Please contact and reach at the proper address of DK Textile. So if I tell about the address, then we are located nearly at 250 meter or 300 meter distance of the Surat station. So first you have to visit Sara Darwaja near Surat station, and then nearly in that of Sara Darwaja you can see Radha Krishna Textile Market. At behind of that you can see Sriom Market. In Sriom Market there is third floor. In third floor you can have many of this kind of variety in DK Textile. If I tell about the shop number, then it is 3011, 12 and 13. Look at this beautiful design and prints. So yes, my friend, you can get all this kind of thing in only 150 of range. And if I tell about the other ranges, then we have different variety which is at a lower cost, like a kurti starting from rupees 90 only. And look at this bottom. This type of bottom pants is only available at 150 rupees only. Look at these bottoms. So this is an stretchable pure potli based pant, okay, available with pocket at only 150 rupees. And this pair is available also at 150 rupees. So look at the difference. This one piece is at 150 and this is two pieces at 150. So you can get this kind of variety in DK Textile. If you want to purchase such kind of variety which will get huge crowd on your counter, then we have kurti starting from rupees 90 only. Yes, it at just its lower price 90 rupees you can get this kind of variety. We have Jaipuri pair which have this at only 150 rupees, and in the same this variety you can get three piece also at 250 rupees and 200 rupees. And we also have a three piece at 450 rupees, 600 rupees. And we look at this all in our my surrounding, we have different kind of variety. So if you want to get the detail and catalog of this kind of variety, then contact DK Textile, number given in the screen. You can send hi on WhatsApp and we will send you all the catalog. Don't call for retail. We have only order in bulk, so minimum order will be of 10,000 rupees, and COD facility is available. So you can also prepayment and you can get COD also. For COD you have to make 30% of the total amount in prepayment. Okay, we deliver pan India, and if you are watching outside of India, then you can also get your parcel outside of India also. So thanks for this video. Let me see you in another video. Thank you.